Hey everybody, it's Wendy. Welcome. So excited you're here with me today for a very simple stamping Easter blessings card. This card is made using the teeny tiny greetings. We'll know in a minute. Just Because stamp set and itty bitty greetings. I was close. The Just Because stamp set is a host set. You can only get this set with host rewards. So if you place an order of 150 or more, you get host rewards and you could choose this set. We're starting out with a 4 1/4 by 11 inch piece of cardstock and scoring it at 5 1/2 and folding it over. And then I've got a piece of soft seafoam cardstock that's cut at 4 1/8 by 5 3/8, and I'm going to layer it down. And then on top of that, we're going to add that Calypso coral, and that's cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then we're going to do some stamping. Now, before I get into the stamping, I want to tell you I cut my stamp apart. So the stamp that has the little plant has Happy Mother's Day attached to the bottom. I cut that part off, and I'm using Easter blessings instead, and then we're going to color it. So part 3 of the missing man story. Here we go. The final part. We really don't know the final part. The woman is been arrested. She is in jail. She had a preliminary hearing on Monday, and she will have another one today on Friday, the 14th. And so maybe at some point next week, I'm going to be able to fill you in on what's going on with her and if they've indicted her or decided that there was enough evidence against her. I think the last part of the story I told you were these weird people that had posted on Facebook, and they made some weird Facebook comment about hurting an elderly man. And so my friend reported that, and it's been this like crazy thing. So his flyers are still up all over the county, and I'm really hoping by the end of next week we'll be able to take those down. And my prayer is that this woman is going to break and tell what really happened, where he is, who killed him, because he's got to be, I'm sure he was murdered at this point. So there's just too much evidence pointing to the fact that likely that's what happened. I'm coloring this vase with crumb cake, and then I'm going to color the flowers with Calypso coral and the leaves with soft seafoam. So anyway, all of that being said, it's a terribly, terribly, terribly sad, horrible situation. And my thoughts and prayers are with the children in this situation, and my heart just breaks for the elderly man that's still missing. And I'm really hoping that if in fact they did kill him, that his body is able to be found and they are able to put him to rest and give him a proper burial. That is my hope and prayer at this point for this man, or that he's found okay. I mean, that would be the real blessing, but I don't think that's going to be the case. I'm pretty sure that he's in pretty bad shape wherever he is. So, anyway, what a sad story to tell over the week, right? So we should end the week on a happy note. So we are going to be having friends come to visit tonight, and they're going to be staying for the weekend. And this is my friend from Monterey. She lives in Monterey. Her and her daughter come and visit periodically, and I just adore them both. And we always have such a good time when they come to visit. They're really delightful people. And I don't really know what we have planned for the weekend. They have this really great festival kind of thing in my area once a year called Dandelion Days. And I would like to go to that, but it's almost always raining. So if it doesn't rain and it's clear, maybe we'll make a trip down and go to that. And it's fun. And it's kind of like a street fair. Like they set up the street with lots of different vendors, and it's really fun and cute. So we might do that if we can. Anyway, this card is finished. It makes me think of spring. It was so simple. I hope you enjoyed it. And be praying for those kids involved in this mess with this guy. If you want to see any of the other videos from me, click on the ones you see on the screen. Click in the circle with my face in it to subscribe to my channel. Shop with me at shopluvinstampin.com. All the products are listed below the video. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.